AE Singularity, why you need it. After Effects has tons of tools. They are based on all sorts of technical frameworks. Each of those groups has its own folder, where it needs to be installed, and each of them has its own place in a separate After Effects panel. And on top of that, most of the time the tools get grouped by the developer name and not by a single global use case. And even the best third-party tool launchers think you memorized all existing tools by their names. But all that is about to change. AE Singularity, the modern tool system for After Effects. One local folder for all your tools and related files. One panel in After Effects to find and trigger them all. Your own custom, tag-like categories. A quick search with keyboard navigation and an advanced search. Find all tools for a task, even those which you didn't know existed. All tool types, under your own categories, and all tool-related files right next to them. Set the filters and only see what you want to see. Quickly find tutorials to tools, and new tools to categories. That and much more is AE Singularity, the modern tool system for After Effects. Get it now on haywood.tools and make your life easier and your projects better.